Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a hot minute since I made a video. Kind of coming back to YouTube slowly but surely. I just gotta check my truck real quick. Someone keeps getting in my damn bed. I don't know why. So as a matter of fact, let me just make sure ain't nothing stolen out this bitch. Nope. Okay. So the video and audio quality might be a lot better. I'm gonna have to try to do this quick because I got an iPhone now and I got it on video. Like, it's got slow-mo, it's got time lapse, it's got picture, it's got freaking portrait, and like some other stuff. But when I put it on video and record a video, it, like, when I play it back, it plays it back normal and then it just goes slow as hell. I'm like, bruh, I didn't put it on slow-mo. But anyway, got a new battery for the truck. Truck got towed a couple of days ago because it doesn't have a Virginia State inspection sticker on it. So that's the only reason why I got towed. So it's parked out on the street for right now. But I do have registered Ohio plates on it now. Those plates went to my old Honda, and I called the DMV because they put a sticker on my truck to get towed on Wednesday, like last Wednesday. And I ended up putting the plates on. They came here and then seen the plates and dipped out. Well, they got really money hungry and greedy as hell, so they came back with the police or somebody, I don't know. Then they read my plates. That's illegal as hell. And then they ended up towing my damn truck. The dude's wife is such a nasty, snobby woman. I cannot stand that woman. She's like, no, your plates came back to a freaking Honda. Yeah, bitch, I know. I'm the one that put them on there. But anyway, yeah, this tow company is more likely going to get shut down pretty soon because I actually have video and audio proof of corruption. So yeah, if you guys seen the post that I made on YouTube like a few days ago saying that I got video proof that could get a company shut down, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, I was talking to one of the workers, one of the employees, and he's like, you're not filming, are you? No, I'm not filming. I was, because it's legal. You can film from anywhere in public. But yeah, I ended up getting my truck back, and it literally took 4 hours, 4 fucking hours to get my damn truck out of the tow lot because the boss, the owner, was being a complete bitch. I called him the day that it got towed. I was like, hey man, I'm just calling to get my damn truck. Just calling to see how much it's gonna cost to get my truck out. And he's like, where's your truck at? And I told him where it was at. He's like, okay, well, I can't give you any information until you show proof that it's your vehicle. I'm like, how the hell you want me to do that? Then he says that I need to take a picture of my driver's license. Damn, I thought my freaking truck was starting up. I was about to say, what the hell, dude? But freaking, he said I need to take a picture of my driver's license and my title and send it to him. I thought that was kind of weird. So now this dude has all my fucking information on his phone. So that being said, I did that. The dude was being sort of nice, and then they were supposed to drop my truck off for $125 to get it out and towed back to the house. They were supposed to do that, and the dude didn't want to freaking respond back to the text message or nothing for freaking hours and hours. I had to call them at almost 7 p.m. Hang on, let's start this bad boy up. Man, she ain't been started in a hot minute, bro. Hasn't been started in a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off for right now. But yeah, the battery was just completely dead. Completely dead. Damn, you smell that V8? Smelling colors now, baby. Anyway, so I'll just save it for the video so that way I'm not rambling on. But a lot of people wanted to see my truck on the interior. So it still has the original, well, I don't know if they're original or not because this seat is completely different from that one. As you guys can tell, the headrest and the seat itself are different colors. But yeah, so it's got the seats in it. What the hell? Why is this kid staring? Why they do their hair like that, bro? But anyway, so it's got Cadillac door card things on it with the wood grain and all that. Everything else is original. I just painted everything black, so everything in here has been taken out, scuffed up, hit it up with adhesion promoter, and then painted black with just regular spray paint. This is the spray paint that I used. So yeah, it's the cheapest spray paint that Walmart has. I would go for Rust-Oleum, but when you paint it with this color, like, I mean, it looks so natural. Like, Rust-Oleum is like shiny as hell like this was clear coated, but this doesn't look natural. But then again, all this together with this color and this kind of looks natural. Kind of looks like it was meant like that from the factory. But anyway, still need to get the Cadillac seats in here and the Cadillac steering wheel with the airbag and the column piece, and then this thing will be fully Cadillac swapped. So even the whatever the hell you want to call that, climate control is out of a Cadillac Escalade. There's some visors out of a Cadillac Escalade. They got the mirrors on them, they got the extenders, all that. So yeah, the headliner, it feels and looks like Alcantara suede, but it's not. It's a $10 blanket from Walmart. So just go to Walmart, to the fabric center, get the black blanket that they have and put it on there. But the glue keeps coming up right here, so I'm gonna have to put some staples in here to hold that down, and I got to replace the door handle. But yeah, so the paint's peeling right here because I didn't get in here with the scrubber and like scuff it up or whatever, so that's why that's coming out. But I'm thinking about just leaving this the original color, so that way it just ties in with that, breaks up the black a little bit. The same for down here. I didn't get to get inside of there, so yeah. But everywhere else it's holding up. Like, a lot of people say, oh, your truck stinks on the inside. I guarantee it smells like crowns and all this and that. Like, dude, the truck doesn't stink. Like, it doesn't have a smell at all. My carpets are black too. I actually need to I'm gonna take this carpet out and just replace it with a new one, because the stains didn't really get quite covered up. Plus, if you don't use enough of it, it like kind of looks greenish. So yeah, you don't want that, even though the truck's green. But yeah, it's got a 355/7. It's got headers on it that I put on. I actually I was making a video about me putting the headers on, but it didn't come out right. So instead of like deleting the video and taking the headers off, putting the original ones back on and just redoing the whole thing, I didn't do it. So I never did. But I never got to post a video of me doing it. But it's got tow mirrors on it. I do have 17-inch wheels that came off of a 2003 Yukon or Tahoe or something like that. So yeah, saying this truck is a beast. It's also got the third brake light bar in here. I kind of did it at night, that's why it looks like crap, and it took me forever to figure out how to wire that up. But yeah, I did get a video on that, but I deleted it. There's a lot of stuff that I've done to this truck that I've recorded videos about, but I ended up deleting them because I kind of just gave up on YouTube. So yeah, anyway, we have a 2-inch lift kit that we plan on putting on sometime in the future. Comes with all 4 U-joints or U-bolts, whatever the hell you want to call them. Brand new nuts with I think these are lock washers. Yeah, lock washers. Comes with the 2-inch blocks. These are aluminum. They feel weird, but yeah. And you can also raise or lower this truck 2 inches. So that's what the directions say anyway. But yeah, 2-inch in diameter lift kit. Put that bitch underneath the seat. So that's for the rear. Literally all you got to do is just take out all 8 of the nuts, remove the lock washers that are on there, jack up the frame of the truck only, take off the shocks, and then lift up the frame, like the whole truck anyway, lift it up about 3 inches or so, just so that way you have enough clearance. And then you just put the blocks in there, and then you put the new U-joints on, or the U-bolts, whatever the hell you want to call them, with the new lock washers and nuts and all that. and then boom, your truck is up high as hell. And the rear, 2 inches to females may not be that much, but 2 inches to a damn truck suspension, it definitely is. So you guys are probably thinking like, oh, it's gonna be the reverse Carolina squat. Well, it's gonna be the Virginia nosedive because we live in Virginia. So a way to fix that is actually to crank up your torsion keys. So this is a 4x4, so it's got the torsion bars. I don't know if the two-wheel drives do. I don't think they do, but I got the torsion keys on here. And the only thing you have to do is tighten those bolts up all the way. Just tighten them up, and then that will raise your truck up 2 inches. And then you'll have to go and get an alignment after that. So yeah, but $46 or $48 for the 2-inch lift for the rear, and you get a free lift when you jack up the front. Can't beat that, bro. Can't beat that at all. So yeah, dude, this thing's gonna be lifted up 2 inches pretty soon. Now a lot of you guys may be wondering, like, how the hell do you got a top post battery in a side post vehicle? Well, I still have the pad up here, and this pad right here like interferes with metal to battery contact. So if you have this all the way out of the way over here, so that way it's not touching the side of the inner fender or the hood when it comes down, you're good. I obviously need to push this down more. I actually need to replace this. These are cheap as hell, like $2 at Walmart. But yeah, a lot of people ask, why do I have a blue alternator? Honestly, dude, all the stuff in here, like all the metal stuff, was like corroded, and I don't like any type of dirt, nasty, low crap on my vehicle at all. So I decided to wire brush everything, and then I just got bored and painted that damn thing blue. So yeah, by the way, it also has a new tensioner on. Yeah, I made a video about that. There's like a bunch of stuff that I did in a video, but yeah, this is off of a, is it from the Cadillac or is it from a 350? I can't remember. I took it off one of those, but I forgot all about that until just now. I'm about to start this thing up and see if it sounds like it chirps anymore. I forgot all about that. I still have, oh shit, that's normal. I don't hear any chirping. Hey, we might have just fixed that. Go ahead and shut it off. I still have kind of like PTSD from this damn thing just randomly firing off gunshots out of nowhere. So yeah, I don't really like to start this damn thing up anymore, dude. I don't really like to do anything with it. So I actually just need to go ahead and put this damn thing in the shop so that way they can redo the timing on it. The distributor just needs to be pulled out and set in properly. I tried it as best as I could, but obviously it still backfires. So it could be because the damn distributor being like a couple degrees off, or it could be because my O2 sensors are crossed. So for those of you that don't know, this truck does actually have true dual exhaust. I know you guys probably like, oh yeah, all trucks do. Nah, well, mine actually has, from the headers, it goes down into the catalytic converter and goes straight out. I did that. I cut out the original exhaust, and I took the exhaust pipe that went, there's two exhaust pipes that go on the passenger side that go all the way down to the muffler, then it singles out to the one exhaust pipe that goes up and over the rear end and out to the side. Well, I ended up taking the muffler off. That was like the first thing that that I took off of this damn truck, and then got that whole piece out of there that goes up and over the rear end. And then later on, I was trying to cut the gasket in half so that way I can separate the pipes, but it wasn't working. So I ended up, oh shit, did they really just hit something? I don't know, but I ended up cutting the pipes in half, and then yeah, they how did no they didn't, dude. They had plenty of clearance to back up and they hit that damn dumpster. I mean, it happens, but damn, hopefully their car's not all messed up. But anyway, yeah, I relocated the pipes, and now we have true dual exhaust, and they're going to come out the sides. I have exhaust tips and everything that I'm going to be putting on this, but for right now, not going to do any of that because I actually need to go to a muffler shop and have them weld up my exhaust because it still has an exhaust leak because the clamps that I got, they're kind of poopy-ish. But the backfire that I have also caused my exhaust piece that I had right here to where it comes out to the side. That came off mid-traffic, and my mom didn't want to stop to go and get it. I wouldn't either because it'd be hot as hell. But it got completely freaking flattened out on the road. So now I have to go spend another 20 bucks and get that done. But I'm gonna get some mufflers put on here. I actually have a center dump muffler in the bed of the truck, but yeah, other than that, fucking badass truck. Let me go ahead and shut that all the way. The headlights messed up. It did have clear headlights like this. This one's plastic. The one that I had right here was glass. I dropped my truck off to get a state inspection on it a couple months back, and they vibrated the hell out of the front end somehow, and I knocked the glass out, so it shattered in the middle of the street. But I need to get these turn signals replaced because they're just butt ugly. I was actually going to put headlights down there and just wire them up because that'd be sick. But it's got the it's got LEDs in the bottom, and it's got the reflector to turn signal mod up top. I mean, I can just go on and on about the stuff that I've done to this damn thing. I'm actually planning on getting leaf springs from a 2500 or a 3500 Silverado. I was supposed to get one a few weeks ago, but the dude was just being a troll. He had a 2500 Silverado that was all completely gutted. It was just a frame, and it was on a trailer. And I was like, how much you want for the leaf springs? He's like, give me an offer. I didn't know what the hell they were, so I offered him 20 bucks. He said, come get them. He said, they're already on the trailer. You just got to take them off the truck. I'm like, all right, bet. What's your address? He didn't even want to respond back. So, yeah. My plan is to make this truck super beefy. So, I'm going to be able to tow whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want. And it's going to be able to handle the payload of it. But anyway, I don't know exactly when I'm going to do the lift. I have to wait until it cools down a little bit, and then take it to my buddy's house and then do it there, because I don't have an impact, and I already broke a ratchet trying to get one bolt off. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, be sure to leave a big old fat hairy thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And yeah, dude, oh shit, I done knocked over somebody's juice. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.